Unleash your next adventure with the 2025 Honda Pilot TrailSport all-wheel drive from Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. Whether you're chasing sunsets on New Brunswick's coastline or conquering gravel roads on a weekend retreat, this rugged SUV is built to boost confidence and comfort every mile of the way. Our Pilot TrailSport is perfect for families and adventurers alike, boasting spacious third-row seating, a flexible cargo area, and durable surfaces that easily handle the chaos of hockey gear, camping equipment, and everything in between. Rain, snow, or gravel? No worries. The dependable all-wheel drive system and Honda Sensing driver assist technologies have your back through NB's unpredictable weather. Enjoy premium touches like heated leather front seats for frosty mornings, a panoramic moonroof for stunning coastal views, and tri-zone climate control to keep everyone happy. Stay connected on every drive with the 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless phone charger that eliminates cable clutter. And when you buy with us, you'll enjoy our 12-month huggable guarantee, a full tank of gas, and even a spin to win for free gas. Stop by Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals in Fredericton today.
We'll give you a hug